Hey everyone, I wanted to do a short video about our Thieves Bundle from Young Living. This is all about ditching out your chemicals and toxins in your home and switching them in one quick and easy step. So one of the reasons why this is an important kit is chemicals and things can do all sorts of damage to your body. They can mess with your hormones. They can cause, tumors and cancer and respiratory problems, skin problems, the whole nine yards. I mean, a lot of our health issues today can be drawn back to the fact that we have what we call toxic burden on our bodies, and it's killing our immune systems and just doing all sorts of harm that we just don't realize is there. Until I got into Young Living and started learning about the natural lifestyle, I didn't realize all the dangers that I had in my home and all the parts of my body that it could be affecting at the same time. So I just want to break down really quick what's in here for you. So the first thing is a 15 milliliter bottle of our oil, Thieves. So this is a blend of different oils. Super simple to use. You can diffuse it, which is like really easy. Put some water in a diffuser, add the oil to one, boom, you got it. Great for like overnight or even during the day if you just want to get the benefits of it from there. That oil was put together off of the legend of the four thieves who robbed the dead and dying in the Black Plague. They took different herbs and spices and things, rubbed them on their bodies, and as they were robbing the sick and dying, they were not catching the plague. So that's kind of where that comes from, and it really does help promote a healthy immune system and also respiratory system, which both of those are really key and important anytime of the year or any year. So we all need that no matter what age we are. So then another thing that comes in here is 2 bottles of our Thieves Waterless hand sanitizer, which kills 99.99% of germs. It is completely plant-based, so you're not going to find chemicals in it like triclosan and a lot of the other harmful things to our bodies. It's not going to mess with all the things I mentioned before. It has peppermint oil in it as well to give it that natural menthol that hand sanitizers have. It smells amazing. It is very gentle on the skin because it doesn't have the chemicals. It doesn't dry your skin out. It actually leaves them feeling soft, and it doesn't have that sticky feeling that some hand sanitizers have. And it's very liquidy, so a little bit goes a long, long way. It's like my favorite hand sanitizer ever, and not just because it's from Young Living. And this does kill the germs, like I said, and it's infused with this oil, which is in every one of the products in this kit, so it's great. Thieves Spray, so there's 2 bottles. Yes, 2 bottles of this in the package. So this is great for on the go, spraying public toilets, sinks, door handles, cart handles, anything that you want to purify while you're out and about. It's great for. Some people even use it as a throat spray. I've never tried it, but I've heard that some do. Then we move into kind of more of the personal care products that you might want to ditch and switch. This is Thieves Mouthwash. Very highly concentrated, so usually what I'll do is take the cap, the seal's on it, so you're good. Take the cap and fill it just a little bit, maybe like a quarter of the way with the Thieves Mouthwash, and then dilute the rest with water, and then swish that around. It is quite strong, and it will clear your breath out. It's also great to kind of gargle with if you're feeling some irritation in your throat. Some people find that really soothing, so love the different options with that. Thieves Toothpaste, this is fluoride free. Fluoride is typically marketed to us as a positive thing. It is actually labeled as a neurotoxin. If you do some research on fluoride, it is not good for us. There are a lot of things that fluoride can do, especially to men and boys, that are just not good for us. So look that up on your own. I'm not going to get into that now because that'll take me forever. But this is our Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. It has Thieves and peppermint and spearmint oils in it. My husband and I use this all the time. My teeth feel really clean. And then I have that security of knowing that I'm not getting a neurotoxin in my body or on my teeth. And it's also free from, synthetic flavors or dyes or anything like that. And also one of my favorites is our Thieves hand soap. So you get 2 bottles like this with 2 pump tops to go with them. So it's a foaming hand soap. It's free of all of the synthetic fragrances and dyes and chemicals and things you're going to find in the others, like all of our products are. Um, so it smells like fall. Some people say it smells like Christmas, but it's got a little bit of cinnamon and lemon and clove, and it just smells really good. It is soft on the hands. Again, it's going to leave you with that good bacteria on your hands to give you kind of that guard against the nasty things, but strip you of the bad bacteria and germs that we don't want. So I love that soap. Great thing about this is you can actually get 3 bottles out of one. So if you pour 2/3 out, leaving 1/3 of the soap in the bottle, you can top it off with just regular water, and that will still clean your hands, keep you healthy. But you get to make it go 3 times as far. So that's what we do. We've done that with the hand soap from Young Living since we used it. And it's a great option to make it more economical and keep you on a budget, because you can live healthy and chemical free on a budget, which is wonderful. And then last but not least, it comes with a bottle, 2 bottles actually, of our Thieves household cleaner. And this is my favorite Thieves product outside of the actual Thieves oil. I love this so much. 1 capful of this concentrated cleaner. You take a capful, pour it into a 16-ounce spray bottle, top it with water, and you have a general cleaner that will replace every cleaner in your house. So kitchen floors, windows, kitchen counters. I use it to clean my baby's toys. Lots of different options. Like, it can clean everything. So fantastic. I also use it to help remove stains from my clothes. You know, there's just lots of different ways you can use it. That 1 bottle will last me about a year. So depending on how much you clean or how concentrated you want it, if you're like cleaning up something super greasy, you might need like 2 capfuls in your bottle. But typically 1 capful to 16 ounces water, 16 ounces of water, I'll get it, is totally sufficient. So that bottle will last you about a year. So you have 2 bottles in the package, which should set you up for close to 2 years, if not more than. So that's what comes in that box. I wanted to keep this short and sweet, but if you have any questions or want to know anything more about this, please feel free to message me or get a hold of me one way or another. And I am sorry guys, there's a bug. I am more than willing to help you find what you need and get hooked up with this kit. And I'll post a graphic at the end here so you can see again, like all that comes in it. But this kit is typically $160. Like currently right now when I'm filming this, that's what the standard price is for it. So occasionally that'll change, and if it does, I'll let you know. But that is what that would cost. So that also gets you a lifetime membership with Young Living, which means 24% off retail pricing, which is our wholesale membership. And you have access to our loyalty program, which is completely free to join or cancel at any time. So with that, it's a monthly subscription. It's $50 minimum every month. You get free shipping on orders $100 or more. You get bonus oils depending on how much you spend every month, and you also start earning a percentage back on every order that you place through Essential Rewards. So you'll immediately start earning 10% back. Like Walmart doesn't even give you that, guys. And then eventually bumps up to 20 after, like when you hit month 4, and then once you have been in for 2 years, when you hit month 25 to life on that loyalty program, you're earning 25% back. So lots of amazing benefits of that program. I recommend when you sign up and get a kit that you check off those 2 boxes that ask if you want to join the loyalty program, Essential Rewards, and then you also click yes to make your bundle your first order, because you'll automatically earn $10 back in credits. So I'm super excited that you've taken the time to watch this video, and I am ready to help you find your way along this oily, chemical-free journey, and I am here to help you any way I can.